Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review at Starlink, Battle for Atlas, Weapon Pack Crusher. So, it's made by Ubisoft. I love the artwork on the boxes. They're kind of like Transformers artwork. So you get two weapons. So, over at Target, which is where I picked this one up at, originally they're selling for $10 at Target. I got mine for about $5 on clearance, which is not a bad price. Have not seen them over at Walmart or Myers. I didn't even know that Target was selling these. I know GameStop sells these, and they go for about $8 at GameStop for these little weapon packs. So you get two weapons in a pack for about $8 over at GameStop. So you get Crusher, which is this one here, and then you get Shredder Mark II, which is this one right here. I love how they have the little symbols on each weapon to kind of tell you what weapon class they belong to. So let's see if you can see this on camera. Here, Crusher creates a devastating gravity well. Not really sure what a gravity well is. Like a black hole? Maybe? And then you have Shredder Mark II. Shredder enemy with rapid, heavy firepower. Ooh, that's not a... Some people say that it's a Gatling gun, but looking at the way how the barrels are, it's either like more of a minigun than a Gatling. I know, you're probably like, minigun? What's the size of the gun? There's nothing mini about that gun. But apparently in the world, real world and video game world, if it has a super big long barrel and it's a big freaking hawking gun about maybe the size of a person or a car that you can mount on an airplane or something, it's called a minigun. Minigun does not refer to the size of it being itsy bitsy teeny tiny mini. It's called a minigun, I guess, ironically, because of how funny it is, because it's not mini, it's a big freaking haunting gun. While a Gatling gun is half the size of a minigun for the barrel length. Yeah, so, like I said, this one over here, the Hellstorm, is a Gatling gun because it has 4 barrels on there. Because it has 3 barrels, and the barrels have like barrel support, which is kind of like a little trident that's holding the 3 barrels together so you don't, split apart in rotation. Minigun. So, minigun, Gatling gun. Yeah, a little bit of gun history right there. So here is the Crusher, which is weird because I know you can't see it on camera here, but it actually has little gun barrels on it. And the way how it's made more like a mini Gatling gun. So yes, we have 3 variants. We have Gatling gun. Let me zoom it out better. Gatling gun, minigun, mini Gatling gun. So, oh, I'm a Gatling gun. No. Oh, I'm a minigun. Oh, I'm a Gatling gun. Oh, and here's a little love charm. A mini Gatling gun. So yeah, Gatling gun, minigun, mini Gatling gun. Yeah, go figure. Yeah, so you can just pop them off and swap them on. So let's get these to be on there. That's kind of how they would look. Again, know how they have the symbols right there that let you know what weapon class they are going to. Although this one, when they put it together, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has a big old seam line in there. So it has a big old panel seam line, which is something that you don't really want to see on a toy, especially when it's top side. I mean, yeah, this one has seam line, panel seam line, but nothing back there where the actual symbol is, just top side. Now this one, yeah, it's obviously noticeable. Now this little jewel in here, actually, I just checked it right now, that little purple thing does have light piping on there. So if you shine a flashlight through there, you are going to see a light piping on there. This one, no, but I mean, the detail work, you got like your magazine right there. And then there's that. And then you have this over here, which is not actually a gun barrel. It's more of a scope, so it's almost like a mounted sentry gun or a mobile sentry gun. If you know, like the Call of Duty series, where now you get the sentry gun and score streak, that's kind of what this is. Where it has a little camera, it has a little laser sight. It says, you're not wearing the same colors or the same flag. You're not from the same enemy. You're enemy. You know, that's kind of what that part is. Not another gun, but kind of like a sensor, a camera, a targeting system. It's more accurate of what that is. There's your ammo, and there's your feeding belt, which if it was a belt, but it's not. And then your barrels. Well, this one, I'm not really sure, but it's kind of weird. So yeah, that's what you get for about $10 over at GameStop for a weapon pack. 2 weapons for $10. Not that bad a price for what you're getting. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.